Today we will learn how to draw parabola using rectangle and oblong method. In this, the parabola having base 120 mm and axis 70 mm. This is the problem statement. Now the base 120 mm I have to draw over here. Base 120 mm. Here draw base 120 mm. At the same time mark the center point, which is at 60 mm. Now take the height or axis, which is the 70 mm. So for that I have to draw exactly perpendicular from point midpoint. So exactly from midpoint I am going to draw vertical line. Also draw vertical line from the end points. Now take the 70 mm distance, which is the height or length of axis. Here it is the 70 mm. I will take the same 70 mm height over here and simply connect these 2 points so that we will get the rectangle. So here it is the rectangle. Now if I name it A, B, C, D, midpoint M, and here if I name it as M dash. So this is the axis, which is 70 mm, and this is the base AD, which is 120 mm. Now half of the base, which is 60 mm, I have to divide into 5 equal parts. So since it is of 60 mm, so 60 divided by 5, it will come it as 12. So one part which is of 12 mm. In this way I have to make remaining parts. So I have divide this AM, half of the base, into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. In the same way, this AB, which is nothing but the length of axis, I have to divide into 5 equal parts. So this AB, which is a 70 mm, so divided by 5, it will come it as 14. So one part which is 14 mm. So this AB also get divided into 5 equal parts. Now name it from point A itself. Likewise 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the AB also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now connect this point M1 to 4, 3, 2 and 1. You can have the same exercise on the other side also. So I will make 5 equal parts, 14 mm. Name it in the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to connect through point M. Now MD, which is the half part, remaining half part, I have to divide again into 5 equal parts. Since it is 60 mm, so 12 mm each part. So I have to name it from point D. From corner itself you have to name it. Now from all these base points, what I have to do, I need to draw vertical lines. But while drawing vertical lines, remember that I need to draw vertical line from point 1, but up to this line. This line means line passing through point 1. In the same way, draw vertical line, but up to point 2, this line, draw vertical line, up to line passing through 3, draw vertical line, up to line passing through point 4. So in this way I am getting here point P4 dash, P3 dash, P2 dash and P1 dash. These are the points on the parabola itself. Now on the other side also you need to do the same exercise. See, I have extended, I have drawn vertical line from point 1 up to the line which is at 1 itself. Now I have to name it in this way: P1, P2, P3, P4. Now what I have to do, I need to connect simply from point A to the P1, P2, P3, P4 likewise. Up to point M1, and again from point M to P4, P3, P2, P1 and D. By this way you have completed the parabola using rectangle or oblique method.